Sadness is my enemy that's make me lonely. I heard a melody that takes me back to memories. Some thoughts fall from my brain that make scratches on my heart. I just hold that pain to heal my life. Hear your silent war, the shadows you carry alone. That sadness you call your enemy has made a home in my bones too. That humming it in disguise. It pulls me into fading lights. But maybe if we share the night, we won't burn in separate flames.